Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com, and this is our May 2019 giveaway and sales video. Now we've got a ton of great giveaways and sales videos for you in 2019. So make sure you subscribe to the Walton's YouTube channel to be the first to know when we release new giveaways and sales. Plus, remember to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about each new video. For this month's giveaway, we're going back to our roots, and we're going to be giving away a grinder. Now this Weston No. 8 Butcher Series is a great grinder for the home processor. It has a permanently lubricated air-cooled motor, so it can run for long periods of time without having to take a rest period. And it's capable of grinding 4 to 6 pounds a minute. It has the offset head to help speed up the grinding, an auger grabbing stomper to make disassembly and cleaning a lot easier. It even comes with a coarse and a fine grinding plate, a stainless steel grinding knife, and you're going to get a 10, 20, 30, and 40 millimeter stuffing funnel, plus a high-speed auger for when you're using the snack sticks, and you'll get the star stuffing adapter to make that all a lot easier. This is a great little grinder. Whoever's going to win it is going to be really happy with it. Now we're also going to be including a collection of our favorite seasoning shakers, and we've got some new hats and t-shirts coming in here soon. So we're going to include a hat and a shirt so you can show your Walton's love. For sales this month, we're going to give you guys the chance to save some money while getting yourself set up for summer grilling and smoking. Everything in our barbecue accessories under the smoking and grilling category at waltonsinc.com is going to be 10% off for the entire month of May. Now this means you can get 10% off of these heat-resistant gloves and 10% off of all of our stick-resistant mesh grilling baskets. The pizza pan, 10% off. This pizza peel, 10% off. You can get an 18-piece stainless steel barbecue set for just $27. This Jim Beam cast iron skillet's just going to be $22.50. You can save 10% off a full line of cast iron griddles and pans. You can get skewers, the chimney charcoal starter kit, quesadilla grilling basket, make awesome quesadillas on your grill or smoker, all 10% off. So get ready for summer or spring, or maybe you live in an area of the country where it's grilling season all year long. Or maybe you're just a savage up in Wisconsin grilling away in negative 10-degree temperatures in the depths of winter. And while you're ordering these things, don't forget to go to waltonsinc.com/win to enter to win this month's Walton's giveaway. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatyoursticks.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. To learn how to use equipment and seasonings to make delicious products, click here or click here.